Hi, I'm Liv, founder and owner of Liv Holistic and Liv Holistic Store, where you have all of your favorite non-toxic swaps under one roof and one website. And welcome to my YouTube channel, where we make living a non-toxic lifestyle simple. Today, we're going to be talking about the uses and benefits of frankincense essential oil. I'm an aromatherapist and I have my own line of essential oils, and I love using essential oils in a lot of DIY recipes because they're a great swap for synthetic fragrances, but they also have other benefits than just swapping out scents. So let's dive deeper into frankincense because it is a powerful essential oil. Frankincense essential oil is often referred to as the king of essential oils because it's been used for thousands of years in traditional medicines, religious ceremony, and even some ancient skincare routines, which we love glowing skin, and frankincense can definitely help with that. So more on that later in this video. Okay, so first with the scent of frankincense. It's very warm, grounding, slightly spicy, but in a very comforting type of way. It's a very mild scent. It's nothing overpowering at all. Frankincense comes from the resin of the boswellia tree. Frankincense has a lot of uses. The first benefit being skin support. I said in the beginning that it's used in ancient skincare routines, and that's for a good reason. Frankincense can help reduce the appearance of scars, fine lines, dark spots, and when combined with castor oil, it can roll it underneath your eyes and it helps reduce puffiness and dark circles. This is my under eye roller. To make this, it's just 20 drops of frankincense essential oil, and then the rest is filled up with castor oil. The roller bottle, castor oil, and frankincense can all be found on my website, livholisticstore.com. Another way to get the skin boosting benefits is to just add a drop of it to your normal face cream and rub it all over your face every day, and it'll help your skin look so glowy and dewy and healthy. And your skin will just have a nice, healthy glow to it. Benefit number 2 is stress relief. Frankincense is known to help calm the nervous system and help you feel more relaxed and less stressed throughout the day. To enjoy these benefits, you can add a few drops of frankincense with water to a diffuser and enjoy the frankincense aromatically. But in case you don't have a diffuser yet, you can just add a drop of frankincense to the palm of your hand. I think 2 drops came out. Rub your hands together and then cup your hands over your nose and take a deep breath in. Take 3 deep breaths like that, you'll feel calmer right away. I'm taking a quick pause from the video to thank the sponsor, the Liv Holistic Store. I'm standing in the store right now. It's my own store where we have all of your favorite non-toxic swaps under one roof, like non-toxic dental routines, skincare, hair care, essential oils, and more. You can find us in person at 342 State Street in Hamburg, PA, or shop online at livholisticstore.com. And now, back to the video. Benefit number 3 is inflammation support. Frankincense has natural anti-inflammatory properties, so it's really good if you rub on your sore muscles after the gym. There's this customer who comes into the store and he said he puts lotion in his hand, adds a drop of frankincense, rubs it all over his hands, and it helps reduce the arthritic inflammation in his fingers. And I'm not going to say that it'll cure your arthritis pain and make all the pain go away, but it has helped some people, and maybe it can help you. Maybe it won't, but it's worth a shot. Benefit number 4 is immune support. Frankincense has been used in Ayurvedic and traditional medicine for centuries for immune support. Often it's used topically, so when you want to use essential oils on your skin, I always recommend diluting it with a carrier oil. This is for 2 reasons. This is so your skin absorbs the essential oil properly, so you get the biggest benefit of it. Otherwise, it evaporates off your skin pretty quickly. The second reason is because some essential oils can irritate your skin, so the carrier oil helps reduce risk of redness or any irritation. So to use it topically for immune support, you can dilute it with a carrier oil, and a carrier oil can be anything like fractionated coconut oil, castor oil, jojoba oil, aloe vera gel, or it can just be an unscented lotion. So to use frankincense to get the immune supporting benefits, you can dilute it with a carrier oil and rub on the back of your neck and down your spine, on the bottoms of your feet, or over your chest and near your lymph nodes. Frankincense is generally a very safe essential oil, but it does come with some safety tips. The first one is to always dilute it when applying to your skin. I recommend that with every single essential oil, not just frankincense. So always dilute it when applying to your skin so your skin can absorb the essential oil better, and so there's minimal risk of the essential oil leaving any redness or irritation on your skin. And with that, it's also really important to do a patch test when using an essential oil for the first time. So to do that, you'll just use a little bit of the diluted essential oil on the inside of your wrist. It's a very sensitive part of skin, so if you're going to react to an essential oil, you'll react here. So do a little patch test just to make sure your skin doesn't react to it. You want to just let it sit for about 12 hours. I know it seems like a long time, but if you don't get a reaction from that, then you're in the clear and you can start using frankincense oil. Also, do not ingest essential oils unless if you're working one-on-one with an aromatherapist. Essential oils are highly concentrated and very powerful, so when you ingest them, you can potentially do more harm than good. And frankincense is a kid-safe and dog-safe essential oil. Just don't use essential oils with babies that are under 3 months old. And those are the main benefits of using frankincense essential oil. You can find frankincense and all 10 of my essential oils on my website at liveholisticstore.com. I also have carrier oils and containers for your own DIY recipes there as well. And thank you for being here. If you want to learn more about the benefits of using lavender essential oil, I'll share that video for you right here. So if you're making the non-toxic swaps, don't forget to subscribe. Thank you guys. Bye.